Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the current moment, acknowledging and accepting one's thoughts, emotions, sensations, and the surrounding environment without judgment. It involves cultivating a heightened state of awareness and attentiveness. At its core, mindfulness comprises awareness, attention, intention, and acceptance. It involves being fully present, directing attention to the present moment, with an intention to observe and accept experiences as they arise. The benefits of mindfulness are manifold. It reduces stress, anxiety, and depression, promoting mental well-being. It enhances focus, concentration, and cognitive abilities, aiding decision-making and problem-solving skills. Mindfulness also fosters healthier relationships and a deeper connection with oneself. There are various techniques to practice mindfulness, such as focused breathing exercises, body scan meditations, mindful walking, eating, loving kindness meditation. These techniques help in developing a mindful attitude towards life. Mindfulness isn't confined to meditation. It extends to daily routines. Whether it's savoring a meal mindfully, actively listening to others, or being fully present in mundane tasks, integrating mindfulness into daily life enhances the quality of experiences. Mindfulness aids in recognizing and managing emotions effectively. By observing thoughts and emotions without immediate reaction, individuals gain emotional resilience, allowing for better regulation of feelings and responses. Research shows that mindfulness practices can positively impact physical health. It can help reduce blood pressure, alleviate chronic pain, improve sleep patterns, and boost the immune system. One of the primary benefits of mindfulness is stress reduction. By bringing attention to the present moment, individuals learn to respond to stressors more calmly and effectively. Mindfulness encourages the cultivation of gratitude and compassion towards oneself and others, fostering a sense of interconnectedness and kindness. Many professionals incorporate mindfulness practices in their work life to enhance focus, productivity, and creativity while reducing workplace stress. As we conclude, remember that mindfulness is a journey, not an endpoint. Start by incorporating small, mindful moments into your day and observe the positive changes. Join us in the exploration of mindfulness and its profound impact on our lives. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with those seeking a mindful life. Stay tuned for more enlightening videos.